Today, we're stepping into the intriguing world of mutual funds. It's a journey that can seem complex, but it's packed with opportunities for everyone, from beginners to seasoned investors. But have you ever wondered what makes mutual funds such an attractive option for investors of all types? How can you navigate the vast array of choices to find the fund that's right for you? And what are the steps to start investing in these diversified baskets of assets? Stay tuned as we unravel these mysteries and set you on the path to smart investing in mutual funds. What are mutual funds? So, let's unravel the mystery of mutual funds. Imagine you want to invest in the stock market, but you're not sure where to start, or perhaps you find managing individual stocks overwhelming. This is where mutual funds come in as a game changer. A mutual fund is essentially a pool of money collected from many investors, just like you and me, to invest in a diversified portfolio. Now, the beauty of mutual funds lies in their diversity. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket by investing in a single company's stock, mutual funds allow you to spread your investment across various assets. This can include stocks, bonds, short-term debt, or other securities. Each mutual fund is managed by professionals known as fund managers, who decide how to allocate these assets to achieve the fund's specific objectives. But here's an interesting fact. According to the Investment Company Institute, as of insert recent year, there were over insert recent number mutual funds worldwide, with assets totaling more than insert recent total assets figure. This staggering number shows how popular mutual funds have become as an investment vehicle. Each mutual fund has a unique investment objective. Some aim for long-term capital growth, others for regular income, or a mix of both. When you buy shares in a mutual fund, you're buying a piece of the entire portfolio. Your return is then based on the overall performance of the fund, after accounting for fees and expenses. It's crucial to understand that investing in mutual funds does involve risks, just like any other form of investment. The value of your investment can go up or down, depending on the market conditions and the performance of the assets within the fund. However, the diversified nature of mutual funds often helps mitigate these risks compared to investing in individual stocks. In summary, mutual funds offer a convenient way to access a diversified, professionally managed portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, mutual funds can be a valuable addition to your investment strategy. The benefits of investing in mutual funds. Let's talk about why mutual funds could be a fantastic addition to your investment portfolio. The first major benefit? Professional management. Mutual funds are managed by experienced fund managers who make the investment decisions for you. This means you get the expertise of seasoned professionals who are constantly analyzing market trends and making informed decisions. Next up, diversification. This is a key strategy in reducing risk. By investing in a mutual fund, your money is spread across a range of assets. This mix can include stocks, bonds, and other securities. So, if one asset underperforms, the others might balance it out. According to a report by credible financial source, diversified portfolios have historically reduced volatility and provided more stable returns over time. Accessibility is another great feature. With mutual funds, you can start investing with a relatively small amount of money. This makes it easier for individual investors to access a diversified portfolio without needing a large capital. For example, some funds allow you to start investing with as little as $50 to $100. Let's talk about liquidity. Mutual funds offer high liquidity, meaning you can easily convert your investments into cash. Typically, you can sell your mutual fund shares on any business day and receive the current market value. Lastly, there's variety. The world of mutual funds is vast, with a fund for nearly every type of investor. From aggressive growth funds for those with a high-risk appetite to more conservative income funds, there's a mutual fund tailored to meet different investment objectives and risk profiles. So, to sum up, investing in mutual funds offers professional management, diversification, accessibility, liquidity, and variety. These benefits make mutual funds a compelling choice for both new and experienced investors.